You can use AI to better present your presentations. That I wasn't aware of at all. So that was amazing and interesting to me. My impression of the training was it was very useful. My role in the district is I'm the benefit analyst. And so when I really got engaged with the Copilot. So, Excel, you have all these formulas, and I do find myself looking to figure out how to be more efficient. And so you kind of opened up a new way for me
Nice.
that I felt would help me better perform in my job. So thank you so much for that. You made the presentation engaging, informative, and interactive.
What would you recommend to other districts and other educators about AI?
So I felt like what you opened up for me is that you can use AI to better present, say, your presentations, put together, say, crafting a paragraph. I was really actually impressed about the podcast,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, so that I wasn't aware of at all. So that was amazing and interesting to me. I listen to a lot of things, audiobooks and what have you in my car because, life is so much happening and I'm trying to figure a way to be more productive and get all the information that I need, especially, with my position and things roll down through the federal government. What's the best way to get that information so that I can push it back out to the people that work within our district?
One thing that you think you will go and start using, what would that be?
I know I want to use it for Copilot, but also when crafting my emails, I'm always referencing our handbooks to the employees when it comes to sick leave and FMLA, workman's comp. So I found that that was going to be most beneficial to me, helping me craft emails and sending it out to our employees.